As we've seen with recent flooding, when disaster strikes here in the Commonwealth, volunteers always answer the call.
That's true in eastern Kentucky, even when the helpers need a lot of help themselves.
When the water started rising in Perry County.
My dad's 84, and he was really too weak to try to get out in the water, but they were trapped.
Melissa Miller's first thoughts turned to her parents.
You have the worst feeling, definitely. You think the worst. Couldn't do anything, couldn't get to them. My nephew actually got trapped in the water in his truck trying to get to him.
Her mother and father were not harmed, but everything they owned was lost.
When I walked in their home, it was just a shock. You know, mud everywhere, and then I seen them and they were okay, and that's all that mattered to me.
For 3 weeks, Missy's family, friends, and even strangers worked day and night to help her parents clean up.
We've got their house dry and they can stay in it, so doing good.
When Missy wasn't cleaning up or at her day job, she's been here, one of 4 warehouses in Perry County the Salvation Army is using to store everything from the basics to furniture.
People's been very generous.
Melissa has volunteered for the Salvation Army for 27 years and is now the director for Hazard.
Probably one of the worst things I've ever seen in my lifetime.
The Salvation Army described Melissa to us as amazing because in her family's own time of need, she never stopped helping others, and she's quick to deflect the praise.
A little 12-year-old boy, and he was only worried about his little niece. He was telling me, he was giving me a list of what she needed, so I thought that was wonderful. Big heart.
Just one of many big hearts making a big difference in a time of need.